How do fallacies of ambiguity appear on the LSAT? Have you ever found yourself puzzled by an argument that just doesn't seem to make sense? If so, you might be encountering fallacies of ambiguity, especially on the law school admission test. Let's break down how these fallacies show up in the context of LSAT preparation and logical reasoning. Fallacies of ambiguity occur when an argument uses unclear or vague language to reach a conclusion. This can lead to confusion and misinterpretation. One common type is called equivocation. This happens when a word or phrase is used in different ways within the same argument. For example, if someone says, "I like my steak rare," and concludes, "Therefore, I prefer my meat undercooked," the term rare is being used in two distinct ways. Another type is simply known as ambiguity fallacy. This involves using unclear language to support a conclusion. Imagine someone claims, "We have a good understanding of our universe," and then concludes, "Therefore, we know exactly how it began." Here, good understanding is vague and does not support the conclusion effectively. On the LSAT, you will encounter these fallacies in various logical reasoning questions. The test often presents arguments that rely on ambiguous language. You might see questions that use a term with multiple meanings to confuse you. For instance, the word light can refer to something that is not heavy or something that is not dark. This can lead to misleading conclusions based on interpretations that are not justified by the language used. Another way ambiguity fallacies appear is through a lack of clarity. Arguments may use vague terms or phrases without defining them clearly, which can lead to confusion. This is something to watch out for when you are practicing for the LSAT. Understanding these fallacies is important for your future in law school. Legal arguments often depend on precise language and definitions. The meaning of terms can significantly affect the outcome of cases. Being able to identify and address ambiguity fallacies can help you build stronger arguments and critically evaluate the arguments of others. In law school, you will face complex legal texts and arguments that require careful analysis to avoid misinterpretation. Recognizing ambiguity fallacies can help you grasp legal concepts and apply them accurately in your reasoning. So, as you prepare for the LSAT, keep an eye out for these fallacies. They can be tricky, but with practice, you can learn to spot them and improve your logical reasoning skills.